Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain why your eyes turn red after swimming in the swimming pool. Why your eyes turn red after swimming in the swimming pool. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. I know many of you like swimming. Even I also like swimming. Some people they swim in lakes, in seas, in rivers, and some of them they swim in the swimming pool. I know many of you might think that swimming when your eyes turn red after swimming in the swimming pool, it may be due to chlorine, and that thing it is not. So make sure to watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you can learn. Chlorine it is added in swimming pool so that to kill the germs. But why your eyes becomes red? It is like this. When you swim in the swimming pool, some people they urinate in the swimming pool and they sweat there. So urine and sweat they contain nitrogenous compound such as urea. So it is like this. The urea will react with chlorine which was kept in the water so that to kill germs. So when the urea reacts with chlorine, they will form chloroamines. So these chloroamines are the one which cause irritation to the eyes and hence leading to the eyes become red. So it's not just like chlorine itself it can cause the eyes becomes red. It is no. It means that chlorine it must react with urea to form chloroamines. So these chloroamines are the one which will make your eyes to become red. So make sure that when you're swimming in the swimming pool, don't poop or don't urinate in swimming pool. Because when you poop or urinate in the swimming pool, you are going to release those nitrogenous compound. This nitrogenous compound will going to react with chlorine, hence forming chloroamines, and which chloroamines will lead to eye irritation. But also those chloroamines they might evaporate from the water. So when they evaporate from the water and when you inhale them, you might get different respiratory conditions. So don't urinate on the swimming pool, also don't poop. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.